Image consistency. Nano Banana 2. Saturated topic on YouTube, I know. But this workflow is different. Less explored, almost untouched. In our department, we use this to create images that fool your eyes completely. And today, I'm sharing that top secret with you. 4 steps. And we begin with step 1, identity lock. Pay attention. Inside Gemini exists Nano Banana 2. Deadly code already plugged in. Its function to produce this. Our subject, 4 different angles. 1 consistent identity. It's a biometric lock, the DNA of our subject. Now crop out all 4 angles. Simple photo editor, and listen carefully. Do not use AI for this step. Not if you want the best results. Step 2, atmospheric anchor. 3 parts, locations, lighting, texture. Most civilians make the same mistake. Character consistency, that's all they focus on. World building, completely ignored. Rookie level workflow. Here's what we do in this department. Real world references, locations, lighting photography. You can get it on Unsplash or even Google Maps. And textures, AI works fine there. Won't hurt your results. Most civilians use 5 reference images and waste every single one on face and clothing. I use 10, non-negotiable. This is step 3. The most critical step of this entire procedure. Weighing prompt. Pay close attention. 4 character shots, 3 locations, 2 lighting anchors, 1 texture anchor. Plug in the sophisticated prompt, and there you go. Image ready. But here's what just happened. This Gemini interface is no longer your chatbot. What you have successfully built is an AI agent. Engineered, calibrated, consistent. Just plug in a prompt. There you go. Keep generating. Same identity, different scenarios. But how consistent exactly? Let's find out. This is our DNA. And this is the result. Eyes, hair, nose, 99% match. Satisfying. But notice something. Different locations, different times of day. Yet, they all feel connected, like frames from the same film. One isn't Sherlock Holmes and the other Mean Girls. They belong together. The secret, lighting and texture anchor, that's what binds them. Civilians struggle with this. They keep the faces consistent. But their world building looks like a PowerPoint made at 3 a.m. Hundreds of AI agents can be deployed with this method. 10 reference images, weighing prompt, plugged in. Images are ready. Same subject, but something feels different. Because I changed the lighting and texture reference. Same face, different world. That's the power of this workflow. The AI we use in our department, I can't share it. It would put me in danger. What big giants give civilians makes mistakes. Step 4 minimizes those. Natural language pivot. This DNA, not satisfying. Small adjustments. There you go. You see the difference. That's step 4. Expect mistakes. But step 4 is your friend. And if you need prompting guide, comment AI autopsy dossier guide. I'll leak all the evidences.